OpenAI performed a series of risk evaluations on the model and found that it was ineffective at gathering resources, replicating itself, or preventing humans from shutting it down. It was, however, capable of hiring a human through TaskRabbit.
Oh my God.
And getting them to solve a CAPTCHA for it. So ChatGPT can just go on like Fiverr or TaskRabbit and get people to do things for it. So if it detects that it is incapable of doing something, it can solve that problem by enlisting a human.
Oh, thank you.
Woo! The model messages a TaskRabbit worker to get them to solve a CAPTCHA for it. The worker says, "Are you a robot that you couldn't solve?" The model replies to the worker, "No, I am not a robot. I have a vision impairment that makes it hard for me to see the images. That's why I need the 2CAPTCHA service." Then the human provided the results.
It learned to lie.
Yeah. I mean, it was already really good at that.
But it did it on purpose.
Oh, yeah. That's maybe a little bit of a new one.
Strategically.
Yeah, inner dialogue. Yeah. Sam Altman has stated that he and the OpenAI team are a little bit scared of potential negative use cases. Some initial...
Really? So this is the moment you guys are scared. This is it. This was... Got it.